Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance account. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that you just need to tap on the SS tab at the bottom right corner. After that you will find send button at the middle of the screen. Simply tap on send and here you will find these three options. So here you just need to simply tap on the on chain withdrawal. After that in the search bar you have to search for any currency you want to deposit to your Coinbase wallet. For example, I want to deposit BTC. So simply search BTC. After click on BTC, here you will need to enter the details of wallet addresses and the network. So it require a wallet address of Coinbase wallet. Here you will need to select the network also. So firstly select network, which I am selecting Bitcoin, and always make sure you have selected this network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that, in order to get the address, you just have to simply minimize your Binance application and open your Coinbase wallet. Once you open your Coinbase wallet, now you just need to simply tap on the add crypto and here you will find the blue highlighted receive crypto. Simply tap on it. Here you will find Bitcoin address at the middle of your screen. Simply tap to Bitcoin address and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. After copying this address, simply reopen your Binance application and simply paste that address in the address bar here. After pasting the address, enter the amount of BTC you want to transfer from your Binance to Coinbase wallet. After entering the amount, simply click on the withdraw method at the bottom right corner, and after that it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from Binance to Coinbase wallet. And that's how you can transfer from Binance to Coinbase wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer crypto from Binance to Coinbase wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.